Struggling with how to add a payment method to your Paysend account? You're not alone. It's one of the most common questions for new users. After all, you can't exactly send money with nothing to send it from, right? Paysend is a game changer for international money transfers, offering a simple way to send funds to over 170 countries. But to unlock that convenience, you first need to link a payment source. Whether you're using a debit card, a credit card, or even Apple or Google Pay, the process is quick and easy. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple, step-by-step process of adding your payment method to Paysend, so you can start sending money to friends and family with their fixed, low-fee service. Let's dive in. First, open the Paysend app or log in on the website. From the main menu, navigate to your profile. You're looking for the section titled Linked Cards and Accounts. Tap on that, and you'll see an option to add new. From here, you'll just need to enter your card details, the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Once you've entered all the information, click Add Card. Paysend uses secure technology to link your card, and just like that, you're all set to go. And that's it. It's really that simple. You've now linked a payment method to your Paysend account, and you're ready to make your first transfer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.